Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn and become more successful. My name is Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're diving into a creative and exciting field that helps protect our digital world, cybersecurity and ethical hacking.
That's right. In this episode, we'll explore what ethical hacking and cybersecurity entails, why they are essential in today's digital landscape, the benefits of learning this skill, and how you can master it here at Bizmarrow Technologies.
Now, what is ethical hacking and cybersecurity? Ethical hacking is also known as penetration testing. It involves legally breaking into systems and networks to check for vulnerabilities that malicious hackers can exploit.
On the other hand, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, network, and data from digital attacks, theft, and damage. Together, they play a vital role in safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining the integrity of digital systems.
Importance of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. The world right now is interconnected and cyber threats are more prevalent than ever. Now, cybersecurity and ethical hacking are essential for preventing data breaches, protecting sensitive information, and ensuring data continuity.
Absolutely. With the rise of cybercrime, organizations need skilled professionals who can anticipate and defend against potential attacks, making those fields increasingly important.
Benefits of learning cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Learning cybersecurity and ethical hacking equips you with a specialized skill set that is in high demand in the job market. You will gain expertise in network security, risk assessment, and incident response.
Also, learning these skills allows you to contribute to a safer digital environment, protecting individuals and organizations from cyber threats.
How to learn cybersecurity and ethical hacking at Bizmarrow Technologies. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we offer a comprehensive course on cybersecurity and ethical hacking that covers essential tools, topics, and concepts, including vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, and security protocols.
Our hands-on training approach means you work on real-world projects, enabling you to apply your skills and build a strong portfolio to showcase your expertise to potential employers.
Career opportunities in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. With ethical hacking and cybersecurity skills, you can pursue various career paths such as cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, security consultant, and incident responder.
The demand for skilled professionals in this field is growing rapidly, leading to competitive salaries and exciting job opportunities across diverse industries, including finance, healthcare, and technology.
Now let's talk about opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, as more companies increasingly digitize their operations, the demand for ethical hackers and cybersecurity experts is increasingly rising. Companies are now investing in security measures to help protect their data and reputation.
Internationally, ethical hacking and cybersecurity skills are highly sought after, providing numerous opportunities for remote work and collaboration with global teams for critical security projects.
Now, why should someone learn cybersecurity and ethical hacking? Learning cybersecurity and ethical hacking empowers you with the skill to make significant impact in the fight against cybercrime. It is a field that combines creativity, critical thinking, and technical skills, opening doors for endless opportunities and career advancements.
With Bizmarrow hands-on training, you will gain the confidence and expertise needed to thrive in this dynamic, exciting, and vital industry. If you're ready to embark on your journey in ethical hacking and cybersecurity, check out Bizmarrow Technologies training program. This could be your gateway to a successful career in tech.
Thanks for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye.